light will drive you, that noise would drive you crazy from that light, huh? Wow.
Like I said, it's like the third motor, so my husband's just sick of changing them.
You gotta do is get
Another kind, you think?
put it on a separate switch or something. I got one of them in my house. I changed it, and it seemed to be better, but I got mine on a separate switch than the light.
Well, this
The
one
fan?
has two lights. We have this one.
Yeah, plus I bring my light in.
Yeah.
That thing's really bright. Yeah, I think I remember your mom. That was a while ago.
Yeah, it's about a year ago. You came and I felt stupid. You just tighten up this metal thing on both sides. That thing on the bottom there. That's what you did. You tightened it up.
Oh, okay, the overflow.
Yeah.
And that's all it was?
Why it was leaking. I said, okay, thank you.
Yeah, I try not to sell people stuff they don't need. I mean, why? Because you're just gonna make a bad name for yourself, you know? People call you to fix their stuff, I just fix it. Let's see if this is... Yep, there's a problem right there. This thing's no good. Look at this. I'm grabbing this and I'm moving the handle.
It's not doing anything.
So that ain't gonna work.
No.
Right? So let's put a new one in and see if sometimes it binds up, but that's our problem.
Okay. We used to use it all the time, and then we just stopped using the damn thing.
See?
We didn't know.
That ain't gonna work. Let's see if this one works. No, it's bound up. I'm gonna take it apart.
Before we get it out.
That's why it broke. Let's see if hopefully I get it out of there. Now you just use this for shower, you never use it for the tub. So my little recommendation for you is
We used to use it for the kids for the tub.
every so
We don't
often
use it at
you
all.
come in here, because this got bound up from not being used,
Okay.
and then that thing broke because this was hard.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do is every so often you come in here,
Run the
just
shower.
put it to shower and to tub.
Okay.
Because what you probably should do after you're done with the shower, you put it to tub to drain it, and then this won't get stuck. I'm gonna put lube in there, but that's what that broke, and then that affected this. So I'm gonna put in both parts.
Okay. Thank you. Nice to have two working showers.
It's a white one. Tub shower. It'll work now. There we go. It's gonna work now. That's what we want. Brand new. That's what we want right there. What are you watching? As the stomach turns on your phone?
No, it's actually a book.
You never heard of that as the stomach turns?
Yeah, it's a little term. Yeah, I don't do that. This is an apocalyptic series.
Oh, you do the book online?
Yep.
That's probably not a bad idea,
I
huh?
really like it. My husband's been doing it for a while, and then he turned me on to it, and I really like it.
Yeah, so you're not worrying about your eyes getting tired from reading and all that. Yeah.
And you can be busy doing other things and just listen like it.
So what's it called? Some kind of books?
It's Audible.
Audible
the
books?
And you can buy the apps off Amazon or off Audible or off Apple.
Oh, you have to buy the app?
Well, some you do. You don't buy the app, but you have to buy some of the books.
Oh, okay.
Some are free, some aren't. Depends what you want to do.
I got this Apple Watch I just bought. I'm really enjoying it.
Yeah, Joe loves his.
You got one?
My husband does, yeah.
I just got it. It's like, wow, this thing's really cool. I'm surprised I did without it all these years.
That's the problem, they get you hooked with this stuff.
I track my sleep with it and everything.
Yeah, I do a Fitbit for that.
Yeah, but this thing does your deep sleep, your REM sleep.
Yep.
How many? It tells every. I had a Fitbit, but I lost it.
The new Fitbits do all that. That's why I left Joe have the
Right, so-
Apple Watch.
This got hard, and then that's what broke that.
Okay, gotcha.
I put a whole new kit in there. So it's gonna work. Alright, so you gotta use it or you're gonna lose it. You ever hear that saying?
Yeah, got it.
That's the truth. Use it or you're gonna lose it.
As